Traveling for free might sound too good to be true, but with the right strategy, booking flights, hotels, and even entire vacations is possible without spending a dime. Points and miles are the key to unlocking free travel, and today you'll learn how to use them to your advantage. The first step is earning points and miles. The most common way is through credit card rewards programs. Many travel credit cards offer sign-up bonuses that can be worth hundreds of dollars in free travel. To maximize earnings, everyday expenses like groceries, gas, and dining should be charged to these cards, while always paying the balance in full to avoid interest. Another way to earn points is through airline and hotel loyalty programs. Signing up is free, and every flight, hotel stay, or even rental car booking can accumulate points over time. Some programs also offer partnerships, allowing points to be earned through dining, shopping, or even streaming subscriptions. Once enough points or miles are collected, they can be redeemed for travel. Airlines and hotels have award charts or dynamic pricing, meaning the number of points needed for a booking may vary. The best redemptions often come from transferring credit card points to airline or hotel partners, where they can be worth significantly more. Flexible travel dates and destinations can make a huge difference in maximizing rewards. Off-peak travel requires fewer points, and some airlines offer sweet spots where certain routes cost less than expected. Hotel redemptions often provide the best value when booking with programs that offer a free night on longer stays. Earning and redeeming points strategically can lead to free flights, hotel stays, and even luxury experiences. By using the right credit cards, joining loyalty programs, and understanding the best redemption strategies, free travel is within reach. With some planning, points and miles can turn dream vacations into reality without breaking the bank.